Hey guys, it's Toni and welcome to Fro Tales. Today we are going to be doing something interesting. I am going to be using this DIY hair mask. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Yeah. So basically, this contains my oil mix, which contains a number of oils I cannot remember right now, and then avocados, well, half an avocado and some bananas. So I mixed it all up and then I sieved it a couple of times. Well, I sieved it twice to make sure there is no like hard stuff that will get left in my hair, because this is freshly shampooed hair. I do not want to have to shampoo it again. Let's get into this. I am done. Thank you for sticking with me this far. Please subscribe and leave a comment, whatever you want to comment. My motivational speech for you today is to celebrate your tiny wins, because I really had this feeling that my hair has been stagnant for the past 2 years and it's literally not growing. Yes, it is growing very slowly because I feel like it has gotten to its more or less peak, so it's not like going to go like very long or waist length in the next 3 months. But I did notice that it has grown a little bit longer, and then it still is like very full, so I love that fact. Love that. So I'm celebrating my tiny wins, and you should do the same too, because you may feel like you're stagnant, but then in real life you're not. So like, just focus on the good aspects. Okay, so we'll officially come to the end of this video. Please subscribe. If you're interested in more hair related stuff, then you should go to my blog, adrianofblack.com. It is in my channel bio, it is in the link in the description, it is everywhere, seriously. So I'll see you later. Bye.